From the first look, this setup clearly aims at high-end performance with a design that stands out. The lighting, the layout, and the overall build give it that premium gaming feel. But the real story is what's powering everything behind the glass panel. This system is driven by an RTX 5080 graphics card paired with a Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor. That combination is built for serious gaming performance. The GPU is capable of handling ultra settings, ray tracing, and high resolutions with ease, while the processor focuses on delivering stable frame rates and fast responsiveness. The result is a smooth and consistent experience whether playing competitive shooters or large open-world titles. With 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory running at 6000 MHz, performance stays fluid even under heavy workloads. Modern games, background apps, streaming, and editing can all run at the same time without slowing things down. It's a configuration that feels fast in real-world use, not just in benchmarks. Storage is handled by a 2 TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, offering extremely quick read and write speeds. That translates into fast system startup, near-instant game loading, and smooth file transfers. It's the kind of upgrade that improves everyday usage just as much as gaming performance. Thermal performance is managed by a 360mm liquid cooling system. This keeps temperatures under control even during extended sessions, allowing the processor to maintain peak performance. It also contributes to the visual appeal, with lighting effects that match the rest of the system. The airflow design supports both cooling efficiency and overall aesthetics. An 850W power supply ensures stable power delivery across all components. It also leaves room for potential upgrades in the future, which is important for a system built around high-performance hardware. Being a pre-built desktop, it focuses on ease of use. Windows 11 Home is already installed, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make connectivity simple. An RGB keyboard and mouse are included, so everything needed to get started is already in the box. In gaming scenarios, this setup handles 1440p at very high frame rates and delivers smooth 4K performance in demanding titles. Visual quality remains high with advanced lighting effects enabled, and performance remains consistent across different types of games. It's built for both competitive gaming and immersive single-player experiences. Beyond gaming, the system is also capable of handling creative workloads and AI-related tasks. Video editing, rendering, and modern AI tools benefit from the powerful GPU and fast memory, making it a versatile option for different use cases. The design follows a modern gaming style with a transparent panel and synchronized RGB lighting throughout the system. It's meant to be part of the setup visually, adding to the overall look of a gaming desk. This desktop delivers a balance of performance, speed, and visual appeal, making it suitable for users who want a powerful system without the complexity of building one from scratch. For those interested in upgrading their setup, the purchase link is available in the description.